This is Elliot's first experience with this pool, but he found the ball too. I gotta go turn it on. More to come. Whoa. Are you gonna go down the slide? Do you want to go down the slide? No. Whoa! Whee! Oh, that's fun, huh? No climbing up the slide. Good boy. Oh, you're gonna go down the slide. All right. Is it hot? Hot? Yeah. Should we go play?